without taking action. Learning is a waste. I told one wonderful story. How many people remember? Okay, there is a person is there. He bought 200 books. 200 books he bought and he studied. Okay, on which concept? How to swim. How to swimming. How to learn swimming. Like he took 200 books. First book, second book, third book. Almost 2 to 3 years time he spent only on studying these 200 books. How to get a Olympic medal, what angles are there in swimming, next, what is the best position to swim, different ways to swim. Okay, like, oh, all these person became book knowledge expert. One fine day, to start swimming, he went to the river. He jumped into the river for swimming. He jumped into the river and then he died. What thing is missing there?
Practical knowledge.
What thing is missing there? Action. Action is missing. Okay, is keep on learning, keep on learning. Better to practice. Better to start practice. That thing matters a lot. Okay, just I study 200 books on swimming. So what? First, you have to aware. Let me start that. The same way. Learning books, learning, reading, learning, attending the classes, reading the books, learning the things. Unless and until, if you are not implementing action, if you are not start taking action, there is no use at all these things. Remember this. That's why. So, who not now series, whatever I covered, let me convert into simple 7 days action plan. 7 days action plan. At least one thing is going to be connected with you people. So that definitely at least to try to implement at least one action. One action only I'm asking. At least one action only out of 7. I'm not talking about all the 7. Don't worry at all. Okay. At least one comfortable action for you. Better to take, better to start implementing that action.